Alright, and hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we'll be covering a pretty big topic, it's not a big topic, but it is quite important inside of SQL. It's called like. Now, like is a keyword almost like where, but it kind of gets used with where, and it's a little bit confusing to explain, so let me show you. Let's say we select everything from the customers. And let's say we want to select, maybe, do they have the name? Yeah, customer name. So we say where and customer name. And let's say we want to get everyone whose customer name starts with an A. So if their name starts with an A, we want to return it. How are we going to do that? Well, we could use like to do this. So we can say like, and in quotation marks, we can use a percentage sign. Now this percentage sign means anything and any amount. So if we say A, then it's going to return everything with an A, and anything can come afterwards. Any amount of characters, any type of characters, anything. If we say run SQL, as you can see, only people that's name starts with an A are returned. This can also be used with numbers. So let's say postal code, and let's say it should end with 9. Now run it. As you can see, everything that ends in a 9 in terms of postal code gets returned. So there's allowed to be any other characters before this 9, but nothing after or anything like this. It should end in 9. So if we were to put a 9 in front, it means a 9 should be in front, but anything can come afterwards. So there, as you can see, 9 is in front. So that's kind of the percentage sign in like. You can also use more percentage signs. So let's say you wanted to have 9, and then it should have, like, let's say a 0 between it. And yeah, it should have a 9, anything, 0, anything. So if we go like that, everything that starts with a 9 and has a 0 in it is allowed. So yeah, you can use it quite a lot. It's good to practice with it. Now another thing you can use is an underscore. So let's say it has to start with a 9, for example, and let's say it should have 1, 2, 3 characters, and then it should end inside of a 3, or it should end with a 3. Do that, and boom, it starts with a 9, it ends with a 3. This underscore represents one character that we don't know can be any character, but it rather does represent a character. We can also, of course, use a percentage sign 3, and then it should end with one character. If we run that, as you can see, it ends with at least one character, and anything else can happen between 9 and 3. We can also do this with names. So let's say we choose customer name again. From where customer name, I pressed Ctrl C where I should press Ctrl V. Where customer name is like, and let's say it starts with A, and then there should be two characters, any characters. There can be anything, but it should end with, let's say, L. I don't know if anything like that exists. No, it doesn't. Okay. There should be at least 2 characters inside of the name. As you can see, there is. You can always make sure that only a name with at least 3 characters that starts with A comes in as returned, and nothing is there. Maybe add another underscore. Maybe there's something there now. Nope. Okay, let's add a percentage sign and let's see. And this one, A and A, that should work if we were to say A, then N and A. Run it. I don't know why it's not being returned. Maybe because we shouldn't add a percentage sign afterwards. But anyways, the point was that there should be at least 2 characters after this A, and yeah, that's kind of what the underscore is. The underscore is one character, the percentage sign is any amount of characters from 0 to infinity, and any type of character. So that's kind of what it means and what it does. So yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about with like. It's just the percentage sign and the underscore, because these are called wildcards, and you can use them to do a lot of things. We'll talk maybe a bit more about wildcards in a future video. Alright, and that is basically all I wanted to talk about in terms of like. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you all again in the next video.